This Lavery Library research tutorial discusses the features of two databases, Education Source and ProQuest Education. Although many EBSCO products have this identical screen, we're able to identify that we are in the correct database by glancing at the top of the screen above the search boxes. If my topic is about how technology can improve reading comprehension, I will type one concept into each box. Then I can apply the required limiters, such as scholarly peer-reviewed journals and a publication date range. Remember that, in general, throughout the field of education, research from within the past 10 years is applicable, but you usually do not go beyond the previous 10 years unless there's a seminal piece of the work to the topic at hand. Glancing through the results, I can decide if I want to limit my search further. For instance, it will probably be helpful to place my search phrase, reading comprehension, in quotation marks. This will keep the two words together as a specific phrase. This should provide more relevant results. Notice that we see some different options here when it comes to accessing the full text of an article. Your first go-to should be the PDF full text file. I like PDF files because they're simply digitized copies of exactly what that article looked like when originally printed in a hard copy journal. Each database will look a little different in how you find and save the PDF of an article. If you look around the screen, you can usually find something that looks like a PDF icon. Going back to the result list, you'll see that some say HTML full text. When you see that as an option, if that's the only option, go ahead and open it and you can save this as a file. You still have access to this article, but the HTML file is simply the article's text. ProQuest Education works similarly but looks a bit different from Education Source. We can add more search boxes with the Add a Row feature here, depending on how many search terms are within the research topic. I'm going to pop in the same search terms and limiters and can then browse the results. Remember, you are evaluating each article to determine if it is relevant to your research. If you like a title, then read the abstract. If you like the sound of the abstract for your topic, then save this article so you can access it again later. This concludes the tutorial on giving an overview and features of two databases, Education Source and ProQuest Education. Happy researching!